So this was our first sample question that we give you. We had to subtract our combos and we had different signs. Let's do another problem where we're going to have to add our combos and we have the same signs. The first step, when it says factor completely, is always see if there's a GCF. Remember, go for that A for D. Do you have matching parentheses? No. Do you have the same letter in all terms? No. Do you have the same number factor in all terms? No number here, so no. Does it start with a negative? No. So we went through A through D, no GCF. Next, how many terms are left over? 3 terms. So that means we can do the shortcut method. Shortcut method works if there's no leading coefficient here, no number in front. So we're going to go through our 6 steps that we showed you before. Step 1, 2 sets of parentheses. Break up the leading term evenly. M squared would be M and M. Step 2, you need to have signs here. So let's look at the last sign of the trinomial. Now notice this one's a plus. Plus tells you you need to have same signs. When they're the same signs, that means these two will match each other. We can have 2 pluses or 2 minuses. Now to determine which group to use, look at the middle term of the trinomial. Notice that it's a minus sign here, so we need to have same negatives. That's the only way we can get the middle term to be negative. Step 3, look at the last term, do all the combos of 72. Remember, to do combos list, I always said start with 1 and see if it divides out evenly. 72 divided by 1? Yes. 72 divided by 2? Yes. 72 divided by 3? Yes. 72 divided by 4? Yes. 72 divided by 5? No, you're going to get a decimal. So I'm not going to put 5 up here. But 6 works. 7? No. 8 does. And then 9? Ooh, it's already off on the board. So we found all the combos. Because again, if you try to do this on your own, you might have forgotten that 4 times 18 will give you 72. But if you go in order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 didn't divide out evenly, 6, 7 didn't divide out evenly, 8, and then when we repeat a combo that's already on the board, you're done. After step 3, your combo list, step 4 is we're going to either have to add or subtract this list. Because this is a plus, we're going to add the list. So if we add, we get 73, 38, 27, 22, 18, 17. With this method here, you will never get a combo that have the same total. See how each total is different from each other? That is the key to this method. So that there's only one combo that you can choose from that will give you 18. You're not going to have 2 of them that are going to be 18 where you're going to like, well, which 18 do I use? So remember, our next step is to choose a combo whose total matches the middle coefficient. Middle is 18. We got an 18 down here. So we're going to choose the combo 6 and 12. That was our step 5. And our final step is just put this 6 and 12 up on the board. Now because they're both the same signs, the good news is it doesn't matter where you place anything. But in case you're stuck, I always said take the higher number, 6 versus 12. 12 is higher. It's always going to get the same sign as the middle. Since the middle is negative, you can put the 12 any place there's a negative. Since they're both negative, that's why I said it doesn't matter. If you want to put the 12 here, and then the 6 here, that works for us. If you multiply these two together, maybe did FOIL or did a rectangle, you'll get your original answer of m squared minus 18m plus 72. That's always a way to double check. But for our answer, it's going to be m minus 12, m minus 6. Or you can have m minus 6 first, then m minus 12. That's it.